Toshiba GRT36SC refrigerator introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to introduce this Toshiba refrigerator. This is the GRT36SC, and the 36 is because it is almost 360 liters. It's listed as 356 liters. It's got 3 compartments. The top 2 are refrigerators. This is supposed to be for vegetables. It's the Vegeta brand feature. I don't know what it... That's like a guy from Dragon Ball, Vegeta. But anyway, this is the Vegeta section, I guess. And here's the freezer. The freezer is 82 liters. The top 2 combined are 274. I think you can probably guess how much is here. This is probably like, I don't know, like 60 or so. And then the rest, 200 plus up on top and in the door. So anyway, yeah, I got this here in Japan. This is my new apartment. And we're just getting everything set up. I'll do a bunch of videos. Definitely check those out. But I wanted to quickly, like, not unbox this because it's already plugged in. But do a quick introduction. Oh yes, I have some drinks in here already, but otherwise still empty. So yeah, it's got, you know, pretty reasonable sized doors. They put a smaller one here for sodas and a bigger one for cartons of milk or whatever. Drawers for your sauces. This can be moved up or down, so you can have them both low or both high. Here you have an egg rack, and you can take that out. Obviously, 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. There's not a lot of positions here. Basically, the only thing you can do is move this one up and this one up, one higher. And this is your vegetable drawer, and your water for your ice maker goes in here. We ran one load through, and it took, I don't know, probably about 12 hours at least to finish the water, if not more, maybe longer. It has an alarm, by the way. So anyway, you're supposed to run at least one run of water through there before you actually try to use the ice. So the ice that's in the bottom, I'll show you in a second. We got a dump. Yeah, and this is the light switch here. And this guy actually comes apart. Unboxing. So this shelf is unique. It's not one piece, it's actually 2 pieces. And if you lift up and push in, it will actually slide back. So if you have, you know, like a bottle that's too tall, like this one, I can still put it here, temporarily shove this in without having to like take the shelves out and stuff. And that's good because I did notice when I first put my sodas in here that basically even if I lifted this up, it's not enough space here. If I'd taken this out, I could put stuff in, but otherwise this is the only way you can put tall things that don't fit on the door. So if your door is full, you'd have to lay your sodas down or whatever. So this is a solution. So that's actually pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen that in another fridge. And I guess it pops out if you want to take it out and wash it, which is obviously important. So this is the top here. The only other thing, there's the light, and then there's the 2 dials. One's for the fridge temperature and like intensity, and the other one is for the freezer. Let's go take a look downstairs. Okay, and on the middle section, not much to it. It's just basically a big empty box, except there's one intermediate shelf, upper shelf, that can slide back and forth if you want to be able to get stuff in and out. That's not too bad. There's a drain over here, so if you want to drain stuff, that's actually pretty good. Just make sure you put something underneath there. On the bottom, there is no drain on this one, I'll notice. This one actually has 2 intermediate shelves. There's one that basically is right on top of the freezer bin that slides in and out, and then there's a second one which catches the ice, and there's an extra piece in there, and comes with a scoop. So cost-wise, we paid 85,800 Japanese yen, which comes out to about 612 US dollars at the current rate, but that's including tax. So keep that in mind if you're comparing it in something else. I checked, and like in the US, that might seem pretty expensive, and you can definitely get fridges this big or this small, depending on how you look at it, in that price range. But you could also get fancier ones that are much more expensive. So like a Samsung one of this size in the US actually would cost more, like maybe 700 or 800 plus tax. But you could get like a Frigidaire or some other cheaper ones for maybe 100 or two less even. So yeah, keep that in mind. Energy usage wise, here in Japan they list the kind of estimated kilowatt hours per year and the cost. So they estimated 330 kilowatt hours per year of usage. I guess that's like using it all year and opening it up X number of times per day or something like that. So anyway, that comes out to about 8,900 yen per year to operate, which is something like $63 at the current exchange rate. But the exchange rate's pretty off right now. So figure it's something in like $70, $80 a year electricity wise, which is like $5 a month. So that's not small, but you know, you're going to be using this hopefully every day. So kind of important too. So I know they import a lot of these into other markets, especially Southeast Asia. So I had a Hitachi in Hong Kong that they sell here in Japan as well, for example. But yeah, so if you see it, let us know how much it costs in your market. They have other sizes, so you might see almost the exact same features, but maybe one size up or one size down, yeah, in your market as well. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this. Otherwise, if you have any questions, also let me know, and see you guys next time here on the Clueless Dad. Having this stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. Literally, that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.